Hello guys, welcome back. Now the next thing is to allow the user to start chatting in WhatsApp with the receiver or the profile with whom the user wants to start chatting, that is start messaging. So for that purpose you need to go to your swiping screen, okay, and on the swiping screen we are going to implement a new method which will be start chatting in WhatsApp. Now this method will receive one thing as a parameter, and that will be the user phone number, and that user simply means the receiver on which the current user, or you can say the logged in user, tap on the chat button. So you can say receiver phone number. Now here we have to define the Android, that is if the user is testing the application on the Android smartphone, then in that case we will have a different URL in order to open up the WhatsApp. So we can say Android URL, and inside the double quotes you can add this WhatsApp : / send phone equals to, okay, this URL, and then the phone number you have to provide. So we have the receiver phone number with whom we want to contact, and do you want to add some default text in a message to the receiver. So in order to add some default text which will automatically open up in the chat box, we can have a parameter for that, which is text and text equals to, and you can say, hey, I found your profile on dating app, okay, just like this. Or any other text you want to add, you can add it after this text equals to. Then we have to define it for the iOS. So for the iOS, that is if you are testing this application on your iPhone, for the iPhone the URL is a little bit different. For the iPhone we have https://wa.me/ and after it you have to provide the number, and then for the default text you say ? text equals to, and then you add $ curly braces, and inside this curly braces you have to type uri.parse, and then in here you can add single quotes, and inside the single quotes you can write your default text message which you want to display in the chat box, okay, just like this. So then we can say try catch, or you can directly say that on exception, that is if any error occur. If any error occur, or let's say if the WhatsApp is not installed in the user phone, or let's say if that number is not available on WhatsApp, it is not yet registered on WhatsApp, then it will display us a message that is WhatsApp not found or WhatsApp is not installed. So we will display a pop-up context builder build context return alert dialog. So in the title we will have this, then in the content we will have WhatsApp is not installed. Then we will have a button which will basically close the dialog box. So we can give it them as okay, and when the user tap on this OK button, we will close the alert dialog.